Hey, it's Charlie with McIntyre Rep Real Estate. I just wanted to talk to you about this property that we have listed here. I wanted to show it to you. It's 104 Mimosa. It's just over the bridge when you're coming from Bay St. Louis to Pass Christian. Got the boat ramp. Beautiful trees. The good thing is that it's right here in the deep part of the water. So when you get ready to go out, you're already there. Unlike a lot of other properties that are on the canal here in this area, you have to drive your boat out 10 minutes to 20 minutes sometimes, just depending on where you're at, before you actually get to this deep part of the water. But it is beautiful. This is the patio deck, I guess. This is looking at it from the water view. It's got a deck, it's got a boat lift. It's got a fishing sink and all that. Got electricity out here. Everything just waiting for you to come and make it home.